Hey everyone, it's Julia with U.com. I'm really excited to go over some of the cool features of our site made just for the developer community. U.com has a lot of time-saving apps for developers to help them find code snippets faster, format their JSON right in their search results, and even an AI that can auto-complete any coding query. So you can search less and code more. So let's dive right in with the sample query. Let's try searching for CSS Flexbox. And by the way, if you're new to U.com, you'll notice that it does not look like your typical search engine. That's because the results are really tailored toward you and your personal preferences. You'll see up here that I have an account and that I'm able to set my preferred sources. And U.com also lets you scroll vertically and horizontally so you can explore a single source deeper. But let's scroll back up to the top here. Now think of each one of these as its own individual app that you can search. Now, if I don't want to scroll, I can jump right to that specific app and view that content. So I went here to the Code Complete app. This app uses a large neural network language model to generate code for you and autocomplete any query. Now you can make modifications right here in the first tile to change it, or you can scroll horizontally and ask each of the three sampled code snippets to generate more code. Now you can use this as a coding partner. And by the way, it works best in Python. Let's scroll up and see what else surfaces in my results. When we have the Reddit app, because that is one of my preferences, I do like to see what people are saying on any given issue. We also have Tutorials Point, Geeks for Geeks, which is great if you need help preparing for that next coding interview, Mozilla Developer Network, your web results, W3 schools. I want to go right to the Stack Overflow app. Now, this is a great app. This is really popular, especially if you need help answering your code related questions. Again, you can scroll horizontally. You can also open a side panel. And by the way, if you see a snippet of code that you want, you can just copy that, click here, copy that, and go back to writing your code. And by the way, if you like a certain source, you can always upvote that, indicating that you'd like to see more of that surface in your search results. Let's scroll back up to the top here, because if you didn't see something trigger in your results that you would like to see, you can always click on Add Apps, and that takes you down to the shortcuts bar. Now we have apps that are grouped by category. So in this case, you can go to the developer category and you can click Add. Let's add the GitHub app. Let's add JSON. Let's also add, let's see, what kind of news apps? Oh, let's add Hacker News. I like Hacker News. So here we go. You can see the Hacker News discussions that are relevant to your query. This is a cool one as well, the JSON syntax validator, so you can validate your JSON right away within your search results without having to go anywhere else. And also here, I just triggered the GitHub app. You can sign into your GitHub and view GitHub pull requests, public repositories, and code with the GitHub app as well. So U.com, if you look at it, it really lets you search less and find and do more in a single query. No more opening up tons of tabs. So test out a few searches that are developer related and let us know what you think.